Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of Cup TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at a gorgeous mini kit from AsSnezana Designs, and it's cup number cup 1010289_1641. The kit is called Christmas Vintage Bells in Blue mini kit. You get 4 sheets in the kit, and I'd like to show you the sheets that you get. The first sheet is the main image for your card front to be able to build up the decoupage. It's in a gorgeous blue and gold design with Christmas bells on and season's greetings sentiment. The next sheet is the first layer of decoupage and the second layer with some extra sentiments to build up the card front. The next layer is some more decoupage for the card front, some extra sentiments, and some either designs to make a smaller card or gift cards. It's completely up to you what you want to do with the smaller designs, because there's so many different ways you could use them. And then the fourth sheet is a matching insert. So I thought it would be great to make a card to actually fit the card front, because it's different to a standard size, but it is so easy to make a card front. And my card measures roughly just over 8 inches by just over 8.5 inches. So it's nearly square, but it isn't. You can see it's just a bit of an odd shape. Now for an envelope, I would make one, or I would just go up a size. So you can get larger envelopes, but to be truthful, I would wrap this. I would get some nice craft paper and I would wrap the card. So it's a nice, quick, easy way, and it just looks, I think, nice and professional. So the card I've made is out of craft paper, and you can see the join in the middle. I'm happy with that, and the insert is going to cover the majority of that join anyway. So it makes it look as though I've just tinted the card, just to give it a little bit of a vintage feel. So I've cut the insert out from the kit, and I've got it on flat tape, and all I'm going to do is peel away the back of the double-sided tape, and then I can add the insert to the middle of my card like that. So that's going to match perfectly to the outside of the card. There we go. And then we can create the card front. So the first thing I have is the actual design for the card front. I've cut it out and I've put it on flat tape, so I can peel the back of the tape away. And there we go. And I'm going to add it just to one side of the card, leaving a blank area to the other side of the card. So this measures roughly 1 inch. And what I've done is I've taken a piece of cardstock, a piece of glitter card, and I've just added some ribbon around it, and then added a bow to the side of the ribbon. So I've got that on double-sided tape, and I'm going to just simply add that to the side of the card, and there we go. So that kind of finishes the base of the card. Now we've got the image on the front of the card, we can build up the decoupage. So the first layer that I'm going to add is cut out from one of the sheets. I've cut around the bells, and I've added 3D foam on the back. Now for new viewers, decoupage is building up the layers, and each layer is smaller than the previous layer of design, and it's building it up into a 3D effect. So that's our first layer. Our second layer, now there's lots of decoupage on the sheet, I haven't used it all. I've gone for the next layer of the 2 bells, but there is another layer with all the ribbon on. But you can use and pick and match the layers, And that's kind of what I wanted to point out. You don't have to use every layer. So I've got 3D foam on the back of the 2 bells, and I'm going to just position them over the previous layer like that. And then our final layer is just one of the bells with 3D foam on the back of it, and then I can position that just over the top. Now that finishes our card off perfectly. And the one thing I still have to do is I've cut out one of the smaller designs that's included that you could make a mini card from. I've got double-sided tape on the back, and I'm going to add that just to the back of the card, like so. And it's just something a little bit different, and it finishes the card off and it makes it all match perfectly. So you can see the back of the card, the inside of the card, and the gorgeous front with that decoupage on. Stands up, and it just looks gorgeous with those layers. Lovely colours. Now you can see more of AsSnezana's designs at Craftsuprint, and I'd just like to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 1010289_1641. And I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.